Argentina, a land of vast contrasts where history meets modernity. From the iconic cities to the rugged mountains and from the bustling streets to serene natural wonders, this country offers something for every traveler. Join us as we explore the stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and the vibrant heart of Argentina. Our journey begins in Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital of Argentina, where past and present collide. The city's history is alive in the stunning architecture of the Libertad Palace and the Gran Sarmiento Cultural Center. Buenos Aires is a city of movement and excitement, where wide boulevards and leafy parks contrast with the bustling streets filled with music, laughter, and life. As we dive deeper into the heart of Buenos Aires, the city's culture reveals itself through its landmarks and lively public spaces. The Argentinian Parliament, an architectural gem, speaks to the country's democratic values, while the University of Buenos Aires, one of the largest educational institutions in Latin America, shapes future generations. In the streets, celebrations and festivals bring the community together, painting the city in a tapestry of color and energy. The Argentine Parliament building, a stunning example of neoclassical architecture, represents the country's democratic heart. One of the longest streets in the world, 9 de Julio Avenue, stretches through the city with its wide lanes and towering monuments, including the famous Obelisk. In Buenos Aires, culture thrives. The University of Buenos Aires shapes the minds of the future, while the lively street scenes and celebrations reflect the spirit of the city. Here, grand buildings like the Parliament create a backdrop for the energetic, daily life of locals. The streets come alive during celebrations, with people from all walks of life filling the plazas, to mark their shared culture and pride. A bird's-eye view reveals the iconic obelisk standing tall in the center of the city, a symbol of Argentina's capital. In downtown Buenos Aires, the energy is palpable. This vibrant metropolis is a mix of old-world charm and modern urban life, with streets full of history and culture. As springtime arrives, the Avenida Presidente Figueroa Alcorta transforms with jacaranda trees blooming, painting the city in shades of purple. The University of Buenos Aires, one of the largest and most prestigious in Latin America, is an academic hub of the nation. Moving west, we arrive at General San Martin Park in Mendoza, a serene oasis surrounded by the beauty of nature. Fountain inside General San Martin Park, Mendoza. The park's fountain, with its soothing sounds, offers a tranquil escape from the busy city life. Next, we head to the coast, where the stunning Mar del Plata coastline meets the South Atlantic, offering beautiful beaches and scenic views. Bariloche, Argentina's alpine town. In the Patagonia region, we find Bariloche, Argentina's alpine gem, with its picturesque lakes and snow-capped mountains. Drone video of a skate park by the lake in Bariloche, a serene lake, provides the perfect backdrop to a popular skate park, blending urban culture with the natural landscape. Drone view of the Nahuel Huapi Lake in Bariloche. From above, the pristine waters of Nahuel Huapi Lake reflect the rugged mountains surrounding it, creating a stunning natural landscape. Further north, Catamarca offers a quieter, more rural side of Argentina. With its mountainous terrain and peaceful landscapes, it's a place where the rhythms of life slow down and the natural world takes center stage. Santa Rosa, the capital of La Pampa, is home to the Centro Judicial, an example of Argentina's commitment to justice and progress. In the southern Patagonian region, El Chaltén is a village that draws adventurers and nature lovers alike. Surrounded by the towering peaks of Mount Fitzroy, this area is a mecca for trekking and outdoor exploration. Esquel, a peaceful town nestled near lakes and snow-capped mountains, offers a glimpse into Patagonia's untouched beauty, where natural wonders are at every corner. One of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders, Iguazú Falls, lies on the border between Argentina and Brazil. The power of the cascading water is truly magnificent. Iguazú Falls is a place where the force of nature is on full display as millions of liters of water thunder down into the river below. The lush surroundings make the falls even more magical, with vibrant greenery and mist rising from the river. Iguazú Falls. A visit to Iguazú is a reminder of the raw beauty and power of nature, one of the most impressive sights in the world. The crested Caracara plancus, is a bird of prey found in open habitats across the Americas, recognizable by its black crown and orange facial skin. It primarily scavenges for carrion, but also hunts small mammals. Back in Buenos Aires, we find the Puerto Madero district, a symbol of the city's transformation, where old docks have been reimagined into a modern, upscale neighborhood. The Buquebus station connects Buenos Aires to Uruguay, offering a seamless journey between the two countries. As we explore Argentina's diverse geography, we take in the stunning views from the sea, where wonderful cities glisten against the darkness and stand tall along the coast. Further inland, the country's natural resources come to life, with mining plants powering its economy. And as we drive through the countryside, we see roads that stretch endlessly, reflecting the vastness of this beautiful nation. In the north, the Quebrada de Humahuaca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its vibrant red mountains. The rugged Rocky Mountains in northern Argentina also provide a dramatic backdrop to the country's natural beauty, with their towering peaks and dramatic landscapes. And as our journey comes to an end, we leave you with a final glimpse of Argentina's welcoming sign, a symbol of the adventure and beauty this country has to offer.